Hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus.
And I'm Vicky.
And we just want to take a moment to wish you all a Merry Christmas.
No, honey, no. Christmas is past.
No, this is our Christmas video.
No, you took too long to edit.
It's over?
Yep.
Well, hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus.
And I'm Vicky.
And I just want to take a moment to thank you all for tuning in this past year. Your encouragement and comments has really kept me going. I look forward to a lot of good stuff coming this coming year. So y'all stay tuned and we'll all just have a lot of fun together. But meanwhile, from my house to yours, I'd like to wish you all a Happy New Year. I blew it at the end.
You did. Everything was perfect till you said from I house to yours. I house. I wonder if anybody noticed that. Are you recording?
No.